Brian, if you can take our viewers through what is it that is happening around you.
Well, Devika, talking about it, we are at the very RML hospital. You can actually see the visuals here. The protest is going on, and also, they have even talk about the IMA has also definitely has suspended non-essential services, including OPDs and all of that. And also, we are joined by a doctor also, sir. If you can introduce yourself to our viewers who are watching us.
Sorry, good night.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Dr. Arnesh, Department of Neurology, RML Hospital.
And I assume you're from Kolkata as well, right? So, talking about your demands, what are you demanding from both the center and the state government?
Basically, we are furthermore shocked regarding whatever happened on the eve of the independence, 15th of August, 12 o'clock, when a peaceful candlelight protest was going on, and there was a entry of a whole group of goons unhindered by the police, who ended up vandalizing the entire hospital emergencies, the ENT department. Despite the police being posted outside the gates, if this is the condition of the security, then I really don't know what is to be said. Plus, they also had an ulterior motive of destroying the evidence. So it's high time the center and state should come together and take strict measures in order to deliver justice as fast as possible, and secondly to ensure the security of each and every, not only residents, sisters, nurses, staff, and also the patients as well inside the hospital.
Thank you so much. Also another question I'll have for you is, what are your what are you all planning to do today? What is that are you all planning to do today, all the doctors?
After this, there is a plan of a peaceful gathering towards the Nirman Bhavan, and let's see how it turns out to be.
So first you're planning to go to Nirman Bhavan, and then from there, where are you planning to?
It will come up as and on it takes its shape.
So yes, if I can show you the visuals also, you can actually understand there's a lot of protests, going on. The doctors are, here at RML right now, and again post that they will be, going to Nirman Bhavan at 2 p.m. and then post that at 6 p.m. they will be again, going to the very, India Gate for a candlelight march. So this is the situation that is here at the very RML hospital, and also we'll be talking to another doctor, Dr. Akash. Please tell our viewers what is the plan for today. What are all doctors, the RDAs are planning for today?
Today, till now, in the respect of National Independence Day, we restrict our strike to our hospital premises only. But after Independence Day, it's our plan to connect to more and more people. So the all main hospitals of Delhi, RDA call for a strike in a Nirman Bhavan around 2 p.m. So first we'll do a march here only, then we all lead to Nirman Bhavan individually and show our protest to the central government, and our direct question to Bengal government is to protect doctors who are protesting silently in RGKar hospital.
And after that, what are your plans? Are you planning to go to India Gate as well?
Yeah, our plan is to go India Gate for candle march as well. But it's a demand to a normal population out there to come in a large number to support us, because it's not a matter of safety of doctors, it's a matter of safety of women in our society.
And my last question to you would be, what are your demands from both the center government and the state government that is in West Bengal, the Mamata-led government?
We all saw the visuals from the Bengal at night 2 a.m. The doctors were protesting silently. The goon entered the hospital, tried to kill the doctor and damage the hospital property. So my directly demand for the Bengal government is that either protect the doctor who are protect silently there, or give the resignation. If they have no controls over the goons in a state, the government should resign. And for central government, our demand is to give Central Protection Act as soon as possible, prepare a draft and present it in both houses.
And also, all of the doctors are wearing a black card, in your hands. So just tell us the importance or the significance of the black card that all of you are wearing.
We all are wearing this black band in a protest that we are against the policies of Bengal government, that Bengal government goons are not able to protect or not able to protect doctors. Those are protesting silently in Bengal. So this is a sign of disrespect to the Bengal government and a sign of unity to all the doctors. Those are protesting in a faith of our medical fraternity and female safety.
Thank you. So yes, Devika, you heard the doctors who are protesting, who are voicing, saying that they will be going to Nirman Bhavan at 2 p.m. and from there they will be going. They will be doing a candlelight march at the India Gate at 6 p.m.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.